Wow, another day, another dollar. Welcome to Canada and another milestone with the snow. All the cars are covered. This is Toronto, bringing you live action and live recording. If you are on the road, just make sure you are safe, drive safe. Make sure you're not targeting, and also make sure you have winter tires on, put proper attires. This is the condition at the end of February 2023. And everywhere you look around me is all snow. Snow everywhere, snow everywhere. All the cars are covered with snow. So just be careful and be on our watch. But this is February ending in Toronto, Canada. And we're bringing you live action. All right, it's your boy KB. Subscribe to the channel.